Hi, Diana D here with Diana D Loves Yarn, and I'm coming to you with a video to show you what I got from my Mary Maxim monthly crochet club, and it is called the Colorful Tote and iPad/Tablet Cover, and that's what it looks like. You get this is the iPad cover here, and then you get the tote. In with mine, you don't always get the same color as everybody. Sometimes they put different colors in there, but in the kit this month, you get, of course, the pattern. You get a piece of plastic canvas, and the yarn that they've got in here is called Red Heart Gemstone. There is 312 yards per skein. You get 3 skeins of it. It also says that you can make this afghan on the wrap with 3 balls or 3 skeins of this yarn. The color is fluorite. It is really pretty. I really can't see that. Let me take it out so you can get the real look of the color. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? But that's the afghan on the label, and it says 3 of these skeins will make that, which I'm assuming is like a lap throw or just a throw. I don't see how 3 skeins would be able to make a full afghan, but I could be wrong because I'm not good at knowing that type of stuff. So it's 100% acrylic, and it says it's a number 5. I don't know about that, but again, I'm no expert on that type of information either. But that's what is in the Mary Maxim monthly crochet club this month. So thanks for coming and watching, and see you on the YouTube streets. Bye for now.